Yeah, so the concept we have at Ocean View with Vipingo and Vipingo Prime is that of making money because you guys, you are here in the US. I mean, you're not in a hurry to come to Kenya. So once you build a house like this, because these are the proposed designs, now the lower level, you can rent it and charge, and the upper level you can rent it and charge. There will be a side on the other side so that the guy at the lower level is not meeting with the guy at the upper level. All right, yeah. They want to meet the middle outside here, but now when they get into the house, it's different. This is gonna be the parking right here. So this one you can charge $300, and that's the rate that side because Vipingo is the in thing. It's like the Runda of Mombasa. So this is going to be $300 per night, and the upper level $300 per night. So that translates to $600 per night. If I can do the math for you right here, so this is your maisonette, and this is the upper level and the lower level. So this one you charge $300 per night, and this one too you charge $300 per night. So this translates to $600 per night. Now, assuming that your unit is gonna be occupied 15 days in a month, forget about 30 days, forget about 25 days, even forget about 20 days. So it's gonna be occupied 15 days in a month, which is likely, very likely. So $600 times 15 days, this translates to $9,000. $9,000 per month. Per month. If you're gonna convert this into Kenyan shillings, because it's in Kenya, so this means that it's gonna be $9,000 times 130, the exchange rate. So this is gonna be slightly more than 1.1 million per month. Yes, we are saying a cool 1.1 million Kenyan shillings per month. That is good money. Even forget about, 15 days. Let's say your unit gonna be occupied. So that is $600 for both units times 10. So this is $6,000 per month. $6,000 per month. You multiply this by 130, the exchange rate for the dollar. So this translates to 780,000 Kenya shillings per month. This is too good, man. You can even beat someone with an apartment because some of these guys with apartments, many a times they get 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 with just a unit, with lower level and upper level maisonette. You can make a cool 1.1 million per month. So this is how you create passive income. Making money is it's fun. And with this kind of money, you are good, you are sorted. Your retirement is like you are retiring honorably. You are sorted. So money, the dollar, instead of chasing the dollar, now the dollar is working for you, and you can decide, to cruise. Maybe you wanna cruise from Miami to to Mexico, to Bahamas, or maybe cruise from Seattle, Washington to Alaska. You are spoiled for choice in what you can be able to do with your money. So this is gonna be a game changer, and that is why when you take people to to view. Once they get to the property, they dance. Yeah, dance because they are happy. With the kind of wealth they're gonna create is a wonderful property. And of course, when you retire, you can sit here with your baby, with your baby, on the beach. The way these guys are dressed. Yeah, it's cool, man. Right on the beach, you grow younger, you can check that, you can see that kind of laughter there because of the cool breeze. This is the kind of life we want to have. But of course, as we have mentioned, at Ocean View Ridge, which is a 4-star, and also at the Vipingo Prime, which is a 5 star. We have designated areas for clubhouse, and at this clubhouse we have you're gonna have a swimming pool where you can be able to relax. So it's really about lifestyle. Enjoy quality time with family. We are keen on family. That's why I've designated some places as family parks, and you can't help it really. Detroit, Michigan, you can't help it other than to invest this wonderful property, Ocean View Ridge and Vipingo Prime by Optiven, because it's gonna transform your life for good. Sawa sawa.